In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a company page in LinkedIn. So if you have a business and you want to go and create a LinkedIn profile for your company, then we can do that by first heading over to the LinkedIn website and making sure you're signed into your account. Now click on For Business in the top right hand side and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Create a Company Page. From the list of options, click on Company and it should go and take you to this page here. Now just bear in mind that before you can go and create a page, you need to make sure you have enough connections in your network. Now this just basically means you need to have friends on LinkedIn that you're currently connected with. So you can see that I have one connection here, which is usually enough to go and set up a business page. So once you're on this page, you can just start by typing in your company name. You can also set yourself a LinkedIn URL, and this is going to be the URL that people can use to go and find your page. So this one is already in use, so I'm just going to add a number at the end here. If you have a business website, go and enter it underneath website, start typing in your business industry and then go and select one from the list. Select your organization size, organization type. If you have a company logo, then go and upload it here. And lastly, we can add a tagline for your business. So this is a maximum of 120 characters. So you can just write a sentence or two here describing your business. And once you've done that, click on the box to verify and press create page. And just like that, we have now set up this public page on LinkedIn. And what you can do is click on view as member in this left-hand navigation, and it's going to show you what your page will look like to the public visiting your page. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.